is higher. So we will learn about the electronic configuration of elements. Already we have seen what is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is nothing but systematic arrangement of electrons into various suborbits or else various orbitals according to increasing order of their energies. Right. So such electronic configuration depends upon three principles or three rules. What are those three rules? Above principle, Pauli's rule or Pauli's principle, Hund's principle or Hund's rule. So we will learn these rules one by one. First of all, we will learn about above principle. So above principle, it is also called as building up rule. It is also called as building up rule. So according to this rule, electrons always enters into the orbitals in the order of increasing energies. Electrons always enters into the orbitals or suborbits in the order of increasing energy. So the meaning of this one is, so here 1s, 2s, 2p, if these three suborbits are present, so electrons will always enters into the orbitals or suborbits in the order of increasing energies. So which suborbit is having more energy and which suborbit is having less energy, and this is the increasing order of energies of the suborbits. So now if this is the increasing order of energy of suborbits, then electrons will enter into this suborbit first. After filling up this suborbit, then only electrons will enter into this suborbit, and even after filling up this suborbit, then only the electrons will enter into this suborbit. So 6 electrons. So like this. So that means electrons always enter into the suborbits in the order of increasing energies. So in order to know the order of increasing energy of suborbits, so we have to follow this order. So 1s is having less energy than 2s, 2s is having less energy than 2p, 2p is having less energy than 3s, and so on. So like this. So this is the order of increasing energy of suborbits. So when these suborbits are arranged like this, first electron enters into the lowest energy orbit first. After filling the lowest energy suborbit, then only the electrons will enter into its higher energy suborbit, and after filling up this one only, the next electrons will enter into this one, and after filling up this one only, the next electron will enter into this one. So like this, the electrons will always enter into the orbits or suborbits in the order of increasing energies. Then how to find the suborbits energy? Suborbits energy is calculated by using the formula. What is that formula? N plus L rule. N plus L rule. What is N? N stands for orbit number. It may be first orbit or second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit, and so on. For example, if I write 4s means, so here 4, it indicates a fourth orbit. S means subshell, suborbit S. So there are 4 types of suborbits we learnt. A suborbit,